A few things that we do not want in our homes: mice, bugs, hot, humid air, cold, drafty air. We want to keep all of that out of our living space. I'm going to show you a vulnerable location on most homes and how you can fix it. This is a Mitsubishi ductless mini split, but even if you have a traditional HVAC system, you've probably got line sets running out the wall or out of your home in some form or fashion to a condenser. This is a very vulnerable spot for vermin, hot, humid air, or cold air to enter the space. You can see that I've got a cover on this one, but let's take it off and take a look at it. Cover is off. What do you think tore up the foam on this line set? I would say a mouse did that. Same for the insulation wrap on this drain. And you can just see how dirty it is up in here. Now, I did take the time to spray foam this when we installed this unit from the inside because, well, the walls weren't finished on the inside, so I had the capability of doing that. But what's wrong with going ahead and sealing up this outside the best that we can to prevent further damage or to prevent a possible void where I missed spray foaming? Let's get that done. First thing I want to do is I want to peel some of this spray foam that's expanded in here out to give me a better spot for the sealant that I'm going to use. Now that I've got some of that spray foam cleaned up, you can see that I've got a void here that I can fill up. Obviously, I'm not going to be able to fill up the back side of this with sealant. However, I can fill up this front side. What am I going to use to seal this up though? Now I could use something like spray foam on the outside here because it is going to be hidden by this line set cover, but I don't like the thought of the spray foam expanding so much that it gets on my siding and I have to end up cutting a bunch of it off because the cover won't fit. It's just a lot of variables there. But also, if you know how spray foam works, it doesn't adhere extremely well to materials that expand and contract, like line sets. Hot and cold, they're always moving. Line sets are always moving back and forth just a little bit. So I want to use something that's elastomeric. I want to use something that can take that expansion and contraction a lot over a long period of time. So really, even though I use spray foam on the inside, I'd rather use something better on the outside, and I'm going to use Big Stretch for that. Now you can see here I've got this redwood color. I had some left over, so why not use it? I don't want it to go to waste, but Big Stretch will expand and contract for years. This is really good stuff. It's made by a company called Sashco, and if you've never tried it, you can actually click the link in the description below, and if you're an industry professional like me, they'll send you out a free sample kit of all of their products. They make some wonderful things. Through the Roof, Slab, Moreflex, all that good stuff, Lexel. But Big Stretch is what I'm going to use for this specific application. All right, it's time to load up our Big Stretch and see if we can't fill up some of these voids down below. I'm sticking the nozzle of this sealant down beneath the line sets in hopes that it can get back in there really well. There we are. You just want to seal this up as good as you can. And this is going to prevent a lot of problems in the future. Potential vermin. Is that too much sealant? Not in my opinion. Even though this probably isn't 100% because I can't get underneath those line sets, it's still going to be better than it was. If I had some spray foam on me, I could have potentially squirted a little spray foam down in underneath and then caulked over the top, but this will be fine. So look at that. Actually a wasp nest up in there. Crazy. All right, we're gonna clip this on. Quick and easy fix. Just to give you an example, of how amazing Big Stretch is. That's one ductless mini split, but we've got another one down here. And I actually did this one weeks ago. And now you can see just how stretchy this stuff is. So it moves all over the place. And I don't have to worry about it cracking or allowing air infiltration in there. All right, guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. More content coming. I appreciate it.